We're back with another awesome video here in Medellin, Colombia. This apartment is located in El Tesoro of the neighborhood of El Poblado. And if you know anything, you know that this is an exclusive neighborhood. This building itself has a pool. It has 24-hour security. You've got parking spots for yourself and a storage unit. This apartment is big, and I think the white makes it look even bigger. It's a smart home. It's hooked up to Alexa, so the lights and the music are all managed to do that, which is pretty awesome. This is the living room slash TV room. And the square meters on this one's 262 square meters, which is about 2,800 square feet. This is the dining area. And over here to the left, you're going to see that there's a jacuzzi in the apartment, which is awesome. I mean, I really haven't seen an apartment like this. This is very unique. This is a 5-person, you could probably fit more than 5 people up in there, but I don't know if you want to. Jacuzzi area. It also goes out to the deck over there. But this is the jacuzzi area, and it's got a Turkish bath and a sauna. So this is very unique because it has all of these amenities inside of your apartment, which is pretty awesome. It's on the 2nd floor, as you can see. And you can really host a lot of parties here. If you want to put it up on our Airbnb, this is perfect for that because it's got 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, plus all of these amenities inside the apartment. This could be a little cash cow if you market it correctly, right? Okay, so we're heading over here to the right into the kitchen. This is a full kitchen. It's got the stovetop there, the gas stovetop. It's got an oven, microwave area there. And it's got, I don't see the dishwasher, but I think it definitely, oh, maybe the dishwasher is right there. Yeah, looks like it. This is the laundry area in the back. This used to be, back in the day, you'd have your maid living in your house with you, and this would be the maid's quarters with its own full bath back there, by the way. And heading back, but now you could just use it for storage or even as a pantry or just a laundry area. Going back into the living room area here, I love the layout of this because it's got so much potential to do whatever you want with it or leave it the way it is. It's pretty much turnkey. You could put it up on Airbnb for rent and market it maybe as a bachelor place. People coming in to celebrate bachelor parties, bachelorette parties. I've seen these on Airbnb, and they are kind of like cash cows because these people pay top dollars to be able to have celebrations up in these, or even just stay long term when it's a group of people. This is the first bedroom here. I think that's a queen size bed. Yeah, it looks like a queen size. It's got a lot of space. You could probably fit a king size bed in there. It's got the closet area there. And this is the shared bathroom for that bedroom that doesn't have a bathroom. It's got the dual sinks over here and the shower, a lot of space. The bathrooms are nicely done. The second bedroom here, a lot of space as well. Looks like a queen size bed. It's got AC units in every room as well, which is great. Again, this one's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 262 square meters, which is about 2,800 square feet. The listing price on this one, guys, is 1.8 million Colombian pesos. Well, 1.8 billion Colombian pesos, I should say. And that is in dollars, 444,000 US dollars. The price per square meter comes out to be 1,700, just about 1,700. So it's right on, it's kind of under market value for this area for something that's been redone like this. It's priced to sell. They want to get out of it. This is the master bedroom. You could do some wire management there. I would definitely be, fixing that myself if I lived in here or if I rented it out. Just making sure that all the cables and stuff are hidden. This master bedroom is massive, as you can see. It's got its own walk-in closet and its own master bath here. Really nice. Back to the first floor, which has another deck over here on this side, which is great as well, overlooking this other side of El Poblado or El Tesoro. This is the bar area. It's kind of like a wet bar area that can be used for that, or maybe even make it a little office area if you wanted to, if you work from home. If you'd like to make an offer on this one, if you'd like to come and see it, or you may be looking for something completely different, you can click on the link in the description. It takes you to my form. You fill it out, and then someone on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to see some more awesome properties, click on this video playlist right here.